Yes, Anna.
Remember when I showed us these two?
Yes.
Now I'm going to show a boat in one single time.
Wow.
How am I
So
going to do that?
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting to see.
Well, it's a simple modification. Got it?
Okay.
So if I just delete right here, leave this right here, and this right here, it can do something awesome. I can't wait to show it.
Oh.
This showy thing is easy. So, there. Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Oopsie doopsie. Let me get that, okay?
Okay, you get it.
I'll put the speedboat back together, okay?
Okay.
No big oopsie, okay?
All right. No big oopsie.
Let's see. Oh, one fell down. So, kind of. Okay, not it. So, which means I have to turn this around, do this, and voila! Perfect.
There you go. Wow. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. What is that structure?
An ultra speedboat violent racer.
Wow. That just looks amazing.
Ultra turbo boost. Secret underwater hatch.
Mm-hmm. Look at that, Sana.
Like I showed you in the last video, ballast tanks.
Mm-hmm.
This thing has it all.
That is just amazing. I
And
love
an
how you
underwater
think.
tracking remote.
Wow. I love how you think and create all this stuff.
And it can see how much the water is.
That's
and in case
perfect.
something's wrong with the water,
Mm-hmm.
this thing can measure it.
Can you turn it around so I can see what can measure it? Oh, so you opened this one up a little bit. Okay.
That's how it measures.
That's amazing. I love it, Sana. Thank you so much for sharing all this.
Just one more thing.
Sure.
Remember our Snooky House video?
Ah, the spooky house one. Yes.
Remember the party mode?
Oh my gosh, yes, that was my absolute favorite.
This thing has it too!
Yay! Let's do the party mode.
Sure. Mr. Tom. You can come close to him if you want.
Mm-hmm.
Check it out.
Wow, there I see now. That's beautiful.
I know, that's why it's called a party mode.
I love it.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye, 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 bye.